Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to make that math calculator. You might have seen my old video that I was describing about the math calculator, how it comes. Now today I am going to show you how designed it. First you go to design, choose your theme. I only prefer dark scheme. Then take a button. You need three buttons. Uh, you hear right? Encapsulate, that's nice. Yeah, okay. Then you put another button and decrease the width, right minus increase the height a little. Now take one more button that will be the same size. Right divide. Now we'll increase the font size. Yeah. Now take label, put it here. The little side. Okay. Then backspace, caps lock, and oh, I will increase the width first until it's big to write. Then I will stop increasing. Yeah. Now I write. Enter two numbers. Increase the okay. Now we'll put text input. That's you don't need to do anything. One more text input we'll put here. Yeah. Now our designing is ready. Now we go to code. Put three uneven buttons. Yeah, because three button 1, 2, 3. Everything. First we'll do multiply. Just put this. You can see this one addition sign. This one that you put in multiply. Then the ID will be written button 1. Then in ID you press button 1. Same. Put it button 2 will be here. Here button. Now our buttons is ready. Now we'll work on one. Set text ID. We should get the answer here, right? So just text input 2. We put text input 2. Here we're doing multiply. So we go to max. Take multiply. UI control. Go again. Get text ID. Get text means this one we put. Here it is text input 1. So text input 1. Here 1 multiplied by text input 2. I didn't get text input this here. Decrease the size a little. Put one more text input. Decrease the size. Down. Yeah. This I will. Now I go. Now one more get text. id will be text input 3. Now set text input 2. Go to max. Now you're doing a minus. You take minus sign, put it here. Then go to UI controls, put get text again. Then it should be text input 1. Again one more get text input 3 will. Now we are doing on divide the last one. Again same thing but different buttons. Here it will be text input 2. Here it will be divide sign. Divide sign computers will run line. Then go to UI controls, get text. Then we'll just check this text input 1 divided by text input 3, and our ready coding is ready. Now we'll just test and check. We'll enter one number. I put 56. 90. Multiply, correct. Minus, correct. Oh, correct. And our coding is ready, and our app is also ready. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe so that you can see my latest updates. Thank you, take care, and see you in the next video.